Exercise 5.3, 13th problem. So y is equal cos inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Normally you can write it as a cos y is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square consider. So it is looking like what? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It looks like that only, na? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Or normally you can solve it. D by dx इसको solve कर लो. D by dx of cos y, D by dx of 2xy, ये u by b मेथड यूज करो. ये सर ये सब कुछ हमको जरूरत नहीं है सर. We are going to use it normally. Normally हम लोग use करते तो yes you can solve it. But again this cos y also you need to express in terms of the x. cos y का differentiation क्या है? sin y हो, minus sin y हो, minus sin y. Sin y should be written as under root of 1 minus cos square y. Again, in the place of cos square y, you need to replace the 2x by 1 plus x square. These all the process compulsory here, but it is looking like a x is equals 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So let x is equals to tan theta. Therefore, here x is equals to tan theta, replace that here. Then dx by dt is equals to what do you get? Secant square theta d theta by dx. We need d theta by dx. So we need d theta by dx, which is equals to cos square theta. Why? Because here we are replacing that. So cos y is equals to differentiate. We need to find out dy by dx. So differentiating this with respect to theta. So cos y is equals to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? Cos y is equals to, can anyone say what is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? Sin 2 theta. Now differentiating this with respect to x on both sides. So what do you get here? Minus sin y dy by dx is equals to sin 2 theta differentiation is cos 2 theta, and 2 theta differentiation is 2 into d theta by dx. 2 into d theta by dx. So now here everything should be expressed in terms of the लास्ट में dy by dx हमको क्या आना है? dy by dx we need to get in terms of x. dy by dx we need to get in terms of x. x में आना है, x something x expression in terms of x. आप you can do it in different ways. x में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है तो x में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं, इधर भी ये वाला सब्स्टिट्यूट करके भी कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज दिस sin y can be converted into the cos theta में कन्वर्ट करके भी कर सकते हैं. Multiple ways will be there here, not only one way. The previous problem what we did here, इसको मैंने इसको convert कर लिया है. cos y is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square. Then sin y is equals to theta में क्या है? Sin y is equals to theta में क्या है express कर. Here what I am doing here, this is a little bit similar way, but little bit change. Sin y को इधर substitute कर रहा हूँ. Minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Sorry, sin y नहीं है ना, cos y है ना. When cos y is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square, then what do we get? The minus sin y. Sin y क्या आएगा? So that is nothing but you can write minus under root of 1 minus sin cos square y. Cos square y dy by dx is equals to 2 cos 2 theta d theta by dx. D theta by dx is nothing but cos square theta. Here you have to replace it. सर ये सारा मुझे हमको कंफ्यूज हो रहा है, ये नहीं करेंगे बोलो तो नॉर्मली भी कर सकते हैं इसको डिफरेंशिएट करके, एंड सेम ये पार्ट दोबारा सेम आ जाएगा. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दैट पार्ट as usually you can convert everything in terms of the, ये देखो here it is tan theta is equals to x है, so this also should be converted in terms of the tan theta में convert करना, so that you can write that in the form of the x की form में लिख सकते हो, or you can write this one into the form of the cos y is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square है, so everything you try to convert into the x में convert करने के लिए try करो. So here if you are taking here cos 2 theta can be written as either substitute कर लो minus under root of 1 minus cos square y is nothing but 2x by 1 plus x square whole square dy by dx is equals to 2 cos 2 theta d theta by dx is equals to cos square theta. Okay, so we need to write this one as a 2 cos 2 theta can be written as, tan में लिखना है तो cos 2 theta 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, cos square 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, then cos square theta is equals to, okay, you can write this as a 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, cos 2 theta is, and here into cos square theta, cos square theta everything should be expressed in terms of the x में express करना है, तो what you are going to get it minus into, ये problem ऐसा कर दिया तो थोड़ा सा लेंथ हो, in the normal way when you are solving इसको differentiate कर लिया तो भी आ जाएगा, ये प्रॉब्लम ऐसा कर लिया तो लेंथ ज्यादा लग रहा है थोड़ा सा, तो then you can switch it to the normal method. अभी whenever we are practicing, you need to practice in different ways so that you will get the subject. Even if you are doing here minus 1 plus x square whole square minus 2x whole square by 1 plus x square whole square dy by dx is equals to 2 into 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square cos square theta. Cos square theta is nothing but, what is cos theta? We will get tan theta is equals to x means, tan theta is equals to x means, what is cos theta? We are going to get it. You can, if you are simply, if you are taking theta is equals to angle, if you are considering tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent under root of 1 plus x square. So from this cos theta is equals to adjacent side. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side 1 by under root of 1 plus x square. So cos square theta is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. So here we are going to get 1 by 1 plus x square आ जाएगा. And if you observe properly here, properly observe कर लिए तो ये पार्ट क्या होगा, 1 minus x square होगा, a plus b whole square minus, उसको expand कर लिया तो root of 1 minus x square whole square by 1 plus x square whole square. So whole square you can take into consider into dy by dx is equals to 2 into 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square into 1 by 1 plus x square. Everything is converted into the x में convert कर लिया, ये क्या होगा square, ये सारा इससे कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये माइनस उधर लेके जाओ, then we are going to get dy by dx is equals to minus 2 by 1 plus x square is the differentiation of the given dy by dx. It is given. Did you understand here? So that means what we are getting cancel, actually आप थोड़ा सा observe कर लिया तो whenever you are observing properly, this cos 2 theta is getting cancelled with the term whatever you are getting sin y. ये दोनों cancel हो रहे हैं, ये cos 2 theta value sin y, इधर देखो इसका value दोनों, ये दोनों same है, ये दोनों cancel हो रहे हैं. In the previous 12th problem also I have explained to you the same but in different way. Here I have replaced that, वो दोनों को same में convert कर लिया मैंने. sin y cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is expressed in terms of the y. Cos 2 theta is expressed in terms of the y. y में एक्सप्रेस करने के बाद सेम थिंग आ जाएगा मोस्टली। so, ये दोनों कैंसल होता है। तो इफ यू आर रिसर्चिंग लाइक दिस, रिसर्च कर लिया तो देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न द सब्जेक्ट। okay, 14th problem, whenever you see that if you feel confused here, normally भी कर सकते हैं। let us do the 14th problem in a normal way instead of substitution बिना substitution 14th problem करेंगे। इधर भी चाहे तो कर सकते हैं आप लोग। so u by b मेथड करना है, but this substitution is mandatory in that problem। okay, if you feel that this is little bit lengthy but the concept is same, see one problem can be solved in different ways। एक प्रॉब्लम लेके वो प्रॉब्लम को बहुत ज्यादा different ways में solve कर सकते हैं। the 14th question is given to you here in this, y is equals to sin inverse of 2x into under root of 1 minus x square। एक्चुअली ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा इजी, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत इजी होता है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है। ये देखते तो पता चलता है। कैन एनीवन टेल मी द व्हाट इज x? x कैन बी सब्स्टिट्यूटेड, x का प्लेस में क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो प्रॉब्लम इजी हो जाएगा। Actually, in the previous problem also, when you see that, when you take the previous problem, still more easy में करना है तो y is equals to cos inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is given। It is not more easy। ये वाला खास में आ गया तो easy है प्रॉब्लम। this if you are getting in terms of cos, but tan theta substitute कर ले तो 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is you are going to get in terms of sin। sin 2 theta है, cos inverse of sin 2 theta, a cos inverse of sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta you try to write in terms of cos। okay, so these all the things if you are keeping in, sin inverse of x is equals to sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to, can you tell anyone? pi by 2 इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस, वो यूज करके भी कर सकते हैं थोड़ा सा इसमें। इन केस इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू सॉल्व इट, प्रॉब्लम देखो, इफ यू आर नॉर्मली सॉल्विंग इट इट्स अ लेंथी प्रॉब्लम, बट सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड कर लिया तो इजी होता है। लेट x इज इक्वल्स टू sin थीटा कंसीडर करें, x को sin थीटा कंसीडर करें तो y इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट यू विल गेट, यू कीप इट एज इट इज sin इनवर्स ऑफ 2 into sin theta under root of 1 minus sin square theta। So what do you get here? Y is equals to sin inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but y is equals to sin inverse of sin 2 theta। So we are going to get y is equals to 2 theta। Differentiate this with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to 2 into d theta by dx। we need d theta by dx, so differentiate this with respect to theta, differentiating with respect to theta। so what do you get here? dx by d theta is equals to, theta से differentiate कर रहे हैं, sin theta का differentiation cos theta, so d theta by dx is equals to 1 by cos theta। you write this 1 by cos theta here, dy by dx is equals to 2 by cos theta। the problem complete नहीं है, because we need to express this in terms of the sin, sin में express करना है। so d theta by dx whenever you are getting 2 into under root of 1 minus sin square theta, sorry, this we should express in terms of not sin, x में express करना है, x में express करना है। so 2 by under root of 1 minus sin square theta, why? because sin theta equal to x, so 2 by under root of 1 minus x square, so this is the dy by dx। अब नॉर्मली कर लिया तो कैसे करना है पता है? इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग इट नॉर्मली, you are going to get the yes, you are going to get it normally here whenever you are solving it, 2 by under root of 1 minus x square. So normally solve कर दिए तो how do you solve it if you are solving normally? ये इसको क्या करना है? Here on this sin y is equals to 2x into under root of 1 minus x square. Sin y का differentiation with respect to it. So cos y dy by dx is equals to uv method use करना है. uv method 2 into x differentiation of root x 1 by 2 root x and again differentiation of the 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 1 minus x square into differentiation of the x, that is और इसे cos y है, cos y can be written as under root of 1 minus sin square y dy by dx. इसको simplify करो तो x by under root of 1 minus x square, ये 2 will get cancel, minus 2x square आएगा प्लस 2 into under root of 1 minus x square. इधर x sin y का प्लेस में ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है और उसको सिंप्लीफाई करते जाना है, इधर राइट हैंड से सिंप्लीफाई करना है, वो पूरा अलजेब्रा बन जाएगा. It becomes a normal algebraic expression solving, but I think this is the best easy method. You will not find the normally these methods somewhere else whenever you are seeing, but you can solve it. You try to solve it like this. Even next to 15th problem, whenever you are taking into consider y is equals to secant square, secant inverse. Actually, substitution method becomes easy when inverse and inside the inverse, the problem whatever it is given to you, same we are getting this. That means whenever you see that this problem, 15th problem, what is it is given to you, y is equals to secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. So here what can be taken into consider? x का प्लेस में what can be, ये अभी secant में आ गया तो थोड़ा सा easy होता है. This if you are getting in secant, it is a problem is easy. Secant में आना है तो x equal to cos theta ले लो. If you are taking x is equals to cos theta, 2x square minus 1 क्या होगा? 2 cos square theta minus 1. What is 2 cos square theta minus 1? What is 2 cos square theta minus 1? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta. डिनोमिनेटर में cos 2 theta और न्यूमरेटर लेके लो secant 2 theta हो जाएगा. So this is suitable. The problem is suitable here whenever you take x is equals to cos theta. So secant 2 theta आ जाएगा. So y is equals to secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So y is equals to secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1 is can be written as cos 2 theta. So y is equals to secant inverse of secant 2 theta. Y is equals to 2 theta. Differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is equals to 2 into d theta by dx. So d theta by dx we need. Dx by d theta is equals to minus sin theta d theta by dx d theta. So we are going to we need d theta by dx चाहिए. So minus 1 by sin theta. Minus x. So this you substitute here. So dy by dx is equals to 2 into minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square, which is equals to minus 2 by under root of 1 minus x square. Even whenever you observe that that is the problem looks like a lengthy problem. The reason behind it that is given to you the cos inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is given. This is sin 2 theta. इधर देखो ये प्रॉब्लम्स में secant inverse is there, ये secant 2 theta आ रहा है, तो problem becomes easy. In this situation, suppose if the question is given to you cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Sorry. Yes, cos inverse. X equal to tan theta ले लो. Cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square if it is there. I think that problem also you may have here. Cos inverse of 11th problem. देखो ये 11th problem. Cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. In this situation, x equal to tan theta ले लो. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta can be written as cos 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta is equals to y is equals to 2 theta आएगा. तो सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है. d थीटा by dx चाहिए हमको. 2 into d थीटा by dx. एक ही स्टेप में कर सकते हैं आप. ये क्वेश्चन सपोज इन जेईई मेंस में एडवांस में दे दिया तो भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Using this method if you are doing. d theta by dt. We consider x equal to tan theta. So dx by d theta है. This is nothing but secant square theta आएगा. Secant square को d theta by dx is equals to 1 by secant square theta. This is equals to 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. So which is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 plus x square should be written here. So dy by dx y is equals to dy by dx is equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. This is the final answer. Half minute. Not more than half minute you can solve it. If it is given, the advantage is here if it is given to you the expression whatever it is given. Based on that expression only we can solve it in the easy method. This is really a very easy and shortcut method to you to solve these problems. This model of problems. Normally करना है तो कर सकते हैं. आप इसको cos y is equals to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square लेके करना. Okay? I think you understood. Is there any doubt here? Malika?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear है ना?
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
फास्ट एक्सप्लेन करके होगा, but that's why I'm asking you at the end. ये फास्ट एक्सप्लेन करना है, because such type of the problems can be solved in half minute to show that such model of the problems can be solved in half minute. वो एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए थोड़ा फास्ट कर दिया मैंने. Same model you try to do it in another length हो जाएगा. What's the difference between that? See, always you think only, not only, don't think only in one direction. एक ही डायरेक्शन में सोचना नहीं है. आप लोग मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट इज नथिंग बट डिफरेंट वेज यू नीड टू थिंक. ये ऐसे क्यों, सपोज सॉल्यूशन मिल गया, मैं ऐसा बोल दिया है, अब दूसरा रास्ता हो सकता है, मुझे नहीं आया वो आइडिया आपको भी आ सकता है. When you are doing the experiments like this only, you are subjective will excel. You will improve your subject. अदरवाइज वो मैं बोल दिया है, दूसरा फ्रेंड बोल दिया है, यूट्यूब में है, देख के कॉपी कर लिया है, उसको याद रख दिया है, और नेक्स्ट टाइम एग्जाम में ओहो ऐसा करना है. नो नो नो, इफ यू आर डूइंग लाइक दैट, you won't develop the mathematical skill. Try to do it in different ways. Okay.